Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Gouri Tips. Today we are going to learn about penetration testing. Junior penetration testing అంటే దాని రోడ్ మ్యాప్ ఏంటి, మన రిక్వైర్మెంట్ ఏంటి, జూనియర్ పెనట్రేషన్ టెస్టర్ అవ్వాలంటే అసలు ముఖ్యంగా మనం ఏం నేర్చుకోవాలి అనే దాని గురించి ఈరోజు నేను వీడియో చేస్తున్నాను అనమాట. ముఖ్యంగా మేజర్గా హౌ టు బికమ్ ఏ పెనట్రేషన్ టెస్టర్ అండ్ ఎథికల్ హ్యాకర్ and cybersecurity roadmap for beginners. If you want to become a ethical hacker, SOC analyst or security researcher, this video will help you understand the basics step by step. First, introduction to cybersecurity. What is cybersecurity? Cybersecurity means protecting computers, servers, networks, applications and data from hackers and cyber attacks. There are mainly two sides in cybersecurity. First one, offensive security. Offensive security means attacking system ethically to find vulnerabilities before real hacker exploit them. Example like penetration testing, ethical hacking, bug hunting, red team. Defensive security. Next one, defensive security focuses on protecting system from attackers. Example, SOC analyst, incident response, SIEM monitoring, threat hunting. Careers in cybersecurity. Some popular job roles: SOC analyst, penetration tester, ethical hacker, security engineer, threat analyst, malware analyst, digital forensic expert. Second one, introduction to penetration testing. What is pen testing? Penetration testing is the process of testing a system or website for vulnerabilities using legal and ethical methods. The main goal is find security weakness, report vulnerabilities, help organizations improve security. Penetration testing or Pentesting Fundamentals. A penetration tester should know networking, Linux basics, web application, security tools, vulnerability assessment. Principles of security. CIA trade. Majorga CIA, it will be broken down. I will explain in 3 words. C, confidentiality, protecting sensitive data. I, integrity, ensuring data is not modified. A, availability, systems should remain accessible. Third one, introduction to web hacking. So what is web hacking? Web hacking means testing website and web application for security vulnerabilities. Walking an application. Before testing a website, major we can understand login pages, check user roles, observe requests and responses, identify technologies used. Content discovery. It means hidden directories, admin panel, backup files, sensitive endpoints. Tools are majorly used: GoBuster, Research, FFUF. Subdomain enumerations. Finding subdomains of a target website. Example, admin.example.com, api.example.com. Likewise, tools: Subfinder, Asset Finder, AMAS. Authentication bypass. Authentication bypass means accessing protected areas without proper login authentication due to security flaws. IDOR. It means insecure direct object reference. IDOR happens when user can access other users' data by changing IDs in URLs or request. Second one, we can file inclusion. File inclusion vulnerabilities allow attackers to include local or remote files into application types. LFI, local file inclusion. Another one, RFI, remote file inclusion. Next one, SSRF, server side request urgency. SSRF tricks the server into making requests to internal system. Attackers may be access. Example, internal IPs include metadata, internal servers. Next one, cross-site scripting. XSS allows attackers to inject malicious JavaScript into websites types: stored XSS, reflected XSS, DOM XSS. Command injection. What is command injection? Command injection occurs when applications execute system commands without proper validation. Like example, we can use in the bash ping 127.0.0.1. Attackers may be inject additional commands. SQL injection. SQL injection targets database by injecting malicious SQL queries. Like example, OR 1 equal to 1. This may bypass authentication or expose sensitive data. Brute suit. What is brute suit? Brute suit is one of the most popular tools for web application security testing. The basics we can discuss: intercept requests, analyze traffic, modify records, finding vulnerabilities. Next one, repeater. Repeaters is used to modify requests manually, test parameters, analyze responses. Intruder. It will be the most commonly used. Brute force attacks, payload testing, parameter fusing. Modules. Important modules are proxy, repeater, intruder, decoder, comparer. Extensions. Brute suit support extensions for additional functionality. Popular extensions are Authorize, Logger++, ActiveScan++. Network security. Network security protects networks from unauthorized access and attacks. Fundamentals. Basics. It is the most important. IP addressing, routing, firewall, protocols. Passive reconnaissance. Gathering information without directly interacting with the target. Example, Google dorking, whose lookup, DNS records. Active reconnaissance, direct interaction with the target to collect information. Example like port scanning service enumeration. 6th one, Nmap. Nmap is a powerful network scanning tool. Live host discovery, used to identify active systems on a network. Like example, we can use an bash nmap -sn underscore 192.168.1.0/24. Like basic port scans, scanning open ports like bash nmap target.com. Advanced port scans, advanced techniques you can use: synchronous scan, UDP scan, stealth scan. Post port scans, after scanning, service enumeration, version detection, OS detection. Protocols and servers. Important protocols are HTTP, HTTPS, FTP, SSH, DNS, SMB. Network security challenges. It is the most important. Enumeration, exploitation, reporting. Platform like TryHackMe, Hack the Boss, Portswigger Labs. Vulnerability research. Vulnerability research means studying security flaws in application and system. Most important vulnerabilities. 101. A vulnerability is a weakness that attacks can exploit. Like example, XSS, SQL Injection, SSRF. Exploit vulnerabilities. Exploitation means using vulnerabilities to gain unauthorized access. Vulnerability capstone. Final practical testing using multiple techniques together. Metasploit. Metasploit is a popular exploitation framework. Metasploit introduction, like exploitation, payload delivery, post exploitation. Exploitation, testing vulnerabilities using exploit modules. Another one, Metasploit. Metasploit is an advanced payload for controlling compromised system. Features like file upload, webcam access, command execution. Privilege escalation. Privilege escalation means gaining higher permissions on a system. Linux privilege escalation, like commands like sudo misconfiguration, suid binaries, kernel exploits. Windows privilege escalation. Command methods: weak servers, unwanted service paths, DLL hijacking. Another one. So finally, I will break down the easiest way junior penetration tester. మనం ఏం నేర్చుకోవాలి, స్టార్టింగ్ నుంచి ఎండ్ వరకు ఏమేమి నేర్చుకుంటే మనం ఈజీగా జూనియర్ పెనట్రేషన్ టెస్టర్ అవ్వచ్చు. నాట్ ఈజీ, ఇట్ ఈస్ ద బేస్డ్ అండ్ హార్డ్ వర్క్ అండ్ కన్సిస్టెన్సీ అండ్ డెడికేషన్. ఈ మూడు కలిస్తేనే మనం అనుకున్న లక్ష్యాన్ని మనం సాధించగలం. ఫైనల్లీ ఐ విల్ టెల్ యూ, so this is the complete beginner roadmap for becoming a penetration tester and ethical hacker. If you enjoyed this video, like, share and subscribe to the channel. And also comment below which topic you want to next: brute suit, Nmap, SQL injection or Metasploit practicals. Thank you for watching. Please like and share Gouri tips.